In global corporate finance news, the artificial intelligence company OpenAI is turning heads with an unusual acquisition strategy. The tech giant, recently valued at $850 billion, has purchased a daily technology talk show network. This unusual move follows a massive $6.4 billion deal for a device startup earlier this year. As the company prepares for a potential initial public offering, financial analysts are questioning these investments. Although the firm recently closed a $122 billion funding round, it continues to face intense investor scrutiny over skyrocketing infrastructure costs and billions of dollars in losses. Global energy markets are feeling the intense strain of the ongoing conflict in the Middle East, and the costs are now hitting consumers directly. Following the closure of a critical ocean passage, which normally handles 20 million barrels of oil per day, crude prices have skyrocketed. Because of this massive global supply shock, airlines are being forced to pass the soaring cost of jet fuel onto their passengers. Canadian carrier WestJet has announced a new $60 temporary fuel surcharge on specific reward bookings. Financial experts warn that as global transportation costs continue to rise, everyday consumers will ultimately foot the bill for higher freight and travel expenses. In global commodities news, the largest aluminum producer in the Middle East has announced that it could take up to a full year to restore its production capacity. Emirates Global Aluminum stated that its major Abu Dhabi facility was forced into an emergency shutdown following a drone and missile attack last week. The company has just completed its initial damage assessment at the United Arab Emirates plant and is now warning global customers about imminent shipping delays. This significant disruption to the international supply chain is expected to send shockwaves through the global metals market, placing immediate upward pressure on worldwide aluminum prices over the coming months.